to the Independence Public Library's Storytime Kits craft video. My name is Vonnie, and today we have the opportunity to create a bumblebee craft. Should look something like that when we're finished. What you'll need is a supply kit, which you would have gotten from the library. From home, you'll need a newspaper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and some glue. I'll give you time to collect your supplies. When you're ready, go ahead and start the instruction video again. Let's start by making sure and laying out the supplies that you'll need. You'll want to spread your newspaper out so that when you paint, you're not getting paint everywhere. You want your paint and your paintbrush. Carefully open your yellow paint. And paint your cardboard bee. When you finish painting, let it dry. If it needs another coat, make sure and give it another coat. After you've painted that and it's dry, start the video again. Make sure in between painting your different colors that you clean your brush. Soap and water will clean it well. Okay, so now after your yellow has been painted on and is good and dry, I used my pencil to draw guidelines for stripes on him. You want to try to make them as even as you can. I put 3 stripes on mine, but you can put as many as you'd like. 3 or 4 probably is good. You have your 3 stripes drawn and you're satisfied. Open your black paint carefully. Paint inside those stripes that you just made, inside those markings. Continue till you have all 3 of them done. I'm going to stop the video here, and when you have your stripes painted and dried, start the video again. Our next step is to create wings for our bumblebee. What I did was use some of my newspaper and just drew a couple of teardrop shapes. Cut them out. If you have other paper you'd rather use, that's fine. I thought the newspaper just gave it kind of a cute little different thing to look at here. Okay, that's maybe about right, maybe a little big. You can judge your own size that you'd like to use for that. Use my glue stick, carefully glued them in place. About here. We'll add the other one somewhere about there. Okay, so there's your wings for your bumblebee. Okay. Now your pipe cleaner. I brought that up around. Twisted, gave it a nice twist. Keep it on tight. Gave him some curls up there. Just curl it around your finger a little. But you can make as curly or as straight as you'd like. So now we want to add his eyes. There's self-adhesive eyes in your kit, but if they act like they don't want to stay, you can always use your glue and glue them on. Here we have Independence Public Library, Storytime B. You did a nice job. Some books that we have at the library pertaining to bees are Bear and Bee by Sergio Ruzzier, Ant and Honeybee, What a Pair by Megan McDonald. Don't Worry, Be Happy is a graphic novel we have by Ross Baresh. And a nonfiction book called Bee. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you at the library soon. Goodbye now.